Qingdao Zongjin Engineering Machinery Company Limited, founded in 2011, is a prominent Chinese supplier specializing in a diverse range of construction machinery, including loaders, excavators, forklifts, and spare parts. Over the years, we have established a strong global presence, exporting our high-quality products to more than 135 countries and regions around the world. Our machinery is widely utilized in various sectors, such as construction engineering, agricultural farming, logistics, and many other industries. We take pride in our commitment to excellence. All our products are certified to comply with international standards, ensuring that our customers receive reliable and top-notch equipment. We collaborate closely with international suppliers to maintain the highest quality in everything we offer. Our keen market sense combined with exceptional product development capabilities allows us to stay ahead of industry trends. Our dedicated R&D team continuously innovates to introduce new models that perfectly align with market demands, ensuring our offerings remain relevant and competitive. Understanding that every customer has unique requirements, we provide customized solutions, ranging from personalized configurations to tailored color schemes and specialized attachments. We empower our customers to create exclusive machines that meet their operational goals. Additionally, our specialized customer service and after-sales support teams are available around the clock to address any queries or concerns, demonstrating our commitment to swift and efficient problem-solving. We also offer lifetime spare parts support, ensuring that our customers have access to essential parts for their machines, regardless of their age. Choose us, and let's work together to redefine industry standards and build a better future.